It is best to delete the saved cookies on an Android smartphone regularly. Here, to help you clean cookies on Android phone more effectively, we have 3 suggestions for your reference. Delete browser cookies in Android settings. Tap Settings, select Apps or Application Management. Scroll to find browser, for example, Chrome closing parenthesis ... in App Info. Tap Clear Cache and Clear Data to remove cache data. Use the browser's menu to clear cookies. Open Chrome. Tap Menu top right. Select Settings Privacy. Tap Menu top right Clear Browsing Data. Choose Advanced. Tick Browsing History. Cookies, cached images or files. Tap Clear to delete cache data. Clean cookies on Android completely and permanently. For those who want to thoroughly and permanently get rid of the cookies, they need to turn to a professional Android files cleaner. Here, we would like to introduce you Android Data Cleaner. Connect Android to PC via USB. Install Mobilego connector. Choose Erase All Data mode. Confirm with Delete and click Erase Now to delete data.